I'm sure you're following the controversy with the INEC Chairman, Professor Joash Amupitan, occupying a very sensitive, in this democracy, I think that's the number one position. Akubon, I know you are familiar with this. What's your general view on this whole saga of Joash Amupitan?
Thank you for this question. The Professor Joash Amupitan should just honorably and respectfully throw in the towel and resign. You see, I was discussing with my wife Jaradi. I was asking these people, what are they looking for? As a lawyer, you're a senior advocate of Nigeria. As a teacher, you're a professor. What is that you're looking for? Tell me, what is that you're looking for? That you cannot look at the president and say, I won't do this one. Take your job. Will you look for a job? And when you come out, you'll be celebrated. Look at everywhere Jonathan goes today, they celebrate him. I have a professor who was my dean in the university. In those days, when they bring law school form, do you know what they do? Professor researcher. Everybody in Enugu know professor researcher. Do you know what he did? When the governor said, the form, law school form landed, you see, governor will collect 30 copies. Attorney General will collect 20. They will share it. The one that will be probably they brought to 200 forms. You discover that the one that they will do for merit will not reach up to 30. You now discover that somebody with pass will get the form. Somebody with a 2-2 or 2-1 will not get form. It has been there. It's whom you know. So when the man now came, the man first of all addressed students that everybody should work hard. The lecture time is going to be here. Everything is going to be on merit. Immediately he came, they brought form, law school form. He gave, the governor called, the VC called. As usual, they were calling. He said, no, it's going to be a merit. He called the faculty officer, publish the names of students according to their grade. They publish it. He started calling it. Okay, share the form meritoriously. And asked those who did not get, please, I'm going back to law school in Abuja to go and pay for more forms. If I get, I will share it. Well, after that, he discovered that they were planning to mess him up. The then vice chancellor and the then governor, Chimadoke Naman, they were planning to mess him up as a dean of the faculty of law. He resigned. Students who wanted to demonstrate said, no, nobody should demonstrate. He left. Are you getting what I'm saying? That is a man. Professor Joash, what are you looking for? That's something that you build. Do you know what it takes for somebody to be a professor of law? What it takes for somebody to be a senior advocate of Nigeria? You want to rubbish. Look at what they are doing. What they are doing you at small how they are making caricature of you in social media because of what? What kind of money are you talking about? Money will their grandchildren be happy eating that money? How much are they giving you? How to say I will not look at a professor of law? You don't know what a status quo antebellum means. I don't understand this kind of people. Most of the times I will ask them, what is that they are looking for? As small as I am, there are some things that I cannot do. Because of case of Maxwell Opara, I know what I have lost. I know what I have lost, but I don't care. Before Nandekalu came up, we are the people that fought that Jonathan should go. Yes, but I'm regretting it, I'm apologizing. I hear them saying, so, but when I'm going to say, no, this guy is entitled to justice. You should give him justice. But hey, don't do this thing. The point I'm making is that, am I disappointed in him? Why should you be denying? In our platform, Lawyers OBI platform, I have seen so how some people are even defending. When the thing is obvious, don't you have a wife? Does it mean that this man don't have a wife? Don't you have children that can advise you? Because there are some things I will do. My wife will say, no. Best, you don't do this thing. You don't do this thing. I said, but Naira said no. Do you know what I'm saying? Must you do it? How much are you looking for? Even if with your salary as a senior advocate, with your practice as a senior advocate of Nigeria, as a salary as a professor, you can do anything. You can train your children to any school in the world. You still have their respect. I have seen where some people that have been messed up. Look at the other professor. They sent to prison. The one that Igile, the professor that went to prison
In Calabar, Cross River.
Yes, in Calabar Cross River State. Why should we be allowing politicians to messing you people up because of appointment and money? The man he should resign. He's a member of APC. He has sympathy for what I mean by a member of APC. He has sympathy for APC. That thing is a social media. And why is he denying?
But they've denied that. So, and then the question is that should a forensic investigation, and what level do you think should be?
Now that his character is an issue, you should do the needful to tell the people that I don't have anything. Why should you be allowing yourself? Look at how you gave into the matter. Look at the matter of APC. Look at the role you played. When it has to do another party, look at the role you are playing. It doesn't make sense now. At the end of the day, this thing they are doing now, at the end of the day, the worst of it is that the worst that can happen is not 2031. President Tinubu will have another 4 years. What will be there after that? Can their children come out to say whether you like Charlie Boy today, whether you hate Charlie Boy, but any place Charlie Boy entered, you mention the name Amupitan, you will listen. I don't know whether you get what I'm saying.
There's this new group, Movement for Credible Election, if I'm not mistaken. Femi Falana, Mrs. Dr. Obi Ezekwesili. A few of them like that, Pat Tomi and a few of them. They've come out boldly to say they've lost confidence in Professor Joash.
Likewise, I have also lost confidence.
Exactly. So Farouk Berogi,
yes.
This super.
Any progressive.
Do you support that he should resign? I know you. Do you support it?
Of course, he should resign. Any person. Listen, let me tell you. Do you know what I normally tell them? If you are saying that this person, I can remember when they were talking about let us put this in. They're not done as fair that people were is our brother. Now Buhari has died and he has rubbished the country for 8 years. Look at the north today. Look at what is happening in Gombe. Look at what is happening in Yobe, Adamawa, Bonu, and what have you. Katsina. This is something, a place that people normally go before. Things we are moving. Let us get this country right. Because one, if you are saying that I'm a APC, I'm a PDP, these guys, I'm not saying that the other people in opposition, Atiku Abubakar them and Erofai and what have you, that they are saying to. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is that allow Nigeria to make their choice. It will help us. When we begin to have credible look at what is happening. Why do you know why I'm referring to Abia State? One decision a woman made. Had it been that Mrs. Oti allowed that PDP to brought that Obiangwa result, I heard them saying maybe it should have been continued, but he insisted the people of Abia State, their vote must count. Now that their vote counted, that's why you see Oti. He cannot mess up because people voted him. So allow people to make their choice. That's what we are asking for.
What's your view on Professor Amupitan's direct involvement in derecognizing African Democratic Congress, NWC?
That's what we're saying now. Are you caught?
And then if you said he interpreted the Court of Appeals,
why didn't you go back to court?
The Professor of Law,
yes, that's what I'm saying now. It's because of his interest. It's his interest because ruling party is making sure that there is no party that come together to produce a candidate that will contest with President Tinubu in 2027. And it's not good for us. It's not good for us. Even President Tinubu is not good for you. You should allow so that even if he's winning, let him fight, let him pass through struggle to emerge, so that you know that the thing is not easy. This thing you are doing now, okay, if you leave now, another person will come. It will continue like that. Look at what is happening. Stupid set of people in various states adopting. You don't allow people to do primaries. You don't allow people to vote. You say that you are adopting. And the people that are just expired criminals come and regrouping themselves to come and look again. The point we are making is that the man has taken side. Anybody who is telling you that Professor Amupitan, Joash Amupitan has not taken side, the person will never die a good death. Why should we be lying? We have a country. We should love this country more than any other person. When we are shouting Buhari, I think he has left now. All those problems he created, that's what we are passing through. So nobody owns this country. It belongs to all of us. When you feel that there is this thing, I saw him shaking mouth in the Arise television where he was trying to justify what he did. There was no, the matter is in court. There must be an express. Do you know what it means? Not recognizing leadership of a party. Like as I speak to you now, ADC is a child with their parents. And there's something that they cannot do. Because why they are calling for a meeting, they don't have representatives. You say we will not recognize them. Well, why should you, okay, why not recognize Raf Mwosu? You should recognize somebody. Because we have seen the same INEC, once they bring even court order, they will say the matter is still in court. I'm not going to obey it until we have final distance. You would have said, wait, go back to court. Tell the party, what's the name? Nephew. Go back to court. Let court give me express order not to recognize these people. If you feel that you are neutral. Do you get what I'm saying?
Some are even saying that why did INEC, because if by this logic of INEC, PDP, even some wicked faction,
we are saying the same thing.
Faction are in court.
And why you recognize them?
So why the double standard?
That is what I'm saying now. Anybody who is telling you that this man has not taken side, you don't love this content, we will continue to talk. Oh. We don't know what will happen after we talk like this, but let it be on record that we are talking. Then nobody is listening. We are paying the price in a hard way, and we continue to. I also thank you, media. I'm saying who are also giving us platform to talk. Because one, remember when you said I have a brother, a cousin brother, he's a member of APC, representing my local government in our state as our assembly. I do go to his house. Do come to my house. Say, guy, that's only Becky. Come and follow your others and chop small. I said, what are we even chopping? I am a lecturer. I lectured at Veritas University. I'm a farmer. I have some businesses that I'm doing. I'm a lawyer. I'm a researcher. What is that I'm looking for that I cannot work on my own? I have many books that I have written that money is coming. I have some people normally call me for legal advice. I charge them, they pay me. What is that I'm looking for that I cannot respect myself? Look at how they have destroyed our very best. They have destroyed our very best. I don't want to mention names. Who have joined them? Because immediately you join them, you are there. You won't come out again. They will rubbish you. They will use solotape and laladite. Seal your mouth. You will be talking stupidly. When they bring you to national television, you will say, Professor Amupitan, he did very, very well. In fact, the man deserves an award. And your children are watching you. You are people that I know you are watching you. It's very unfortunate.
You know, people are saying, and I want you to confirm, what's your opinion on? People are saying that the president and his people, the FCT minister and all of them, they are deliberately sabotaging opposition parties.
Of course, now.
PDP, Labour,
yes, Labour Party,
ADC and all of that.
Yes.
Is there any truth in this?
Yes, it's true.
Be honest with
yes,
Nigerians.
Yes, it's true.
How? Why?
Anybody who tell you that, listen, let me tell you. Listen, let me tell you. That is their style. And I know who brought the style to them. Make sure that nobody contests. Who brought it? Let's leave it at that way. Now, listen, let me tell you. You see, what I'm telling them, I continue to say it. They should know that this thing they are doing, turning law upside down, just like what I'm telling about Mazin and the Kanu. That's Mazin and the Kanu. It's only one person. You cannot destroy our judiciary because of one person. Are you getting what I'm saying? There's some people say, anyway, that is what the law said. The law is on his own side. There's nothing I can do about it. Now, you are talking about allowing democracy to strive. I, Maxwell Opara, I fought President Olusegun Obasanjo on behalf of Ahmed Bola Tinubu when he was governor. That was when I was still in the university. I was everywhere. That I was coordinator committee for the defense of human rights. That time we have not gotten on social media, this and like this. I was going, use any opportunity. I would say, you don't do this thing. Why should you withhold their local government allocation? Why do you want to frustrate the man? We. These people started with the ADA. Am I right?
They wanted to register ADA.
Yes. They frustrated. They moved to AZP. They followed them and created a problem there. Of course, PDP is already there. They now move to Abga, destroy Abga. Are you hearing
Abga?
Not Abga, Labour Party.
Labour Party.
Are you still hearing Labour Party again? You're not hearing Labour Party again. If there is anything, if they are contested, are you aware? Nobody. Are you hearing about SDP again? No. All eyes now is on ADC. And I also want to advise them. You know, I don't believe in anybody. The only thing I normally believe in what is good. Let them look for a credible candidate. Because I'm telling you, this is the position. Take it from me, take it from Maxwell Opara. If they did not produce a credible candidate that people will see, they will move. I'm telling you that President Tinubu will go unopposed.